up, guys? Today we will be polishing exhaust tips and maybe even some debadging. What I'm going to be using for the actual mag polish, I got some Mother's mag polish. This stuff works awesome. Just a little bit of elbow grease and some rags, and shit should just come right off. What we're working on is the M45 Muffler delete tips that I got from Subimods. They are pretty dirty from a winter of driving. As you can see, they got some shit on them. So a little bit of gold rubbing, get that taken care of. Also want to take off the badge, and then on the Forester, take this off. The issue with this is it's been on since, well, brand new. So from 04, late 03, that's going to be a bitch. I was thinking about taking off these guys, maybe this, but I think there's holes behind these for alignment. I don't think there's anything for this, but that'll leave a weird fade unless I painted it. So I'm kind of undecided. I'm going to try on this. I'm definitely doing the stuff on the 17. That stuff should go easy. This, fucking nightmare. But we will see. I'll go into the process of just cleaning up the tips. Alright, start the process off. Super simple. Get your rag. Just get into that. It was in the car, so it's kind of goopy, which is fine. I'm just going to heavily coat it. And I'm going to actually rub it down a lot better after I let this kind of seep in. Oh, nice and deep like. And I'm going to do that process to all of them. As you can see, it's already coming off pretty well. I'm going to do that process to all of them, and then we'll check back. So, let it set for a little bit. I'm going to start scrubbing it a little bit more. I dropped this one just so I could try to get all on the top side of it a little bit better. And I'm also doing the inside of the tips, just so they pretty like. Yeah. So you can see, looks pretty good. We'll have to buff it a little bit. Wipe it down. It's looking damn good. Just needs a little bit more loving. So, check back. Tips actually did clean it pretty well. I'm just doing the insides right now, because obviously the buildup. I'm going to work a little bit more on this stuff back here. That's mainly just like dirt and grime, but I wanted to get the stainless aspect of the tips clean. For the most part, it's pretty good. I got no complaints. This Mother's mag and wheel or aluminum polish shit works amazing. Yeah, check it. So I think I got it the best I want to get it right now. They are pretty clean. I only did the tips. I didn't fuck around with the other shit. I only have the patience right now. As you can see, they cleaned up pretty well. Did the inner lip here, and I made sure I got the actual tips themselves. To me, night and day difference. Mother product, beautiful. The metal welds, everything on the M45 Muffler deletes, still beautiful. I don't know, move on to doing debadging now, I guess. Might just do that one on the 17 trunk, the prime one. Might think about the others. I don't know how froggy I'm feeling. The sun, I don't know, it's beautiful out, but I'm not used to this. 3 weeks ago we still had winter, so skip spring, summer's here. Trying to make that thing look pretty. Some still daily in it, but yeah, I'll let you know how the debadge goes if I do it.